Hello everyone, today is Monday the 10th of March 2025, 21 cleans today. The areas I'm in are local to me, so I'm at Leverington and Wisbech St Mary, and we've got one new clean today. So it was a quote we did and we were successful, so we've won that one. And turns out as well they're related to a customer that we already cleaned, so that's something we all found out at lastminute.com. So follow us today, see how we get on. It's a foggy day, but it's going to clear and it's dry, so it's workable. It's gone 2 o'clock. I've got 9 cleans left to do, 3 more up in Leverington and then the other 6 all in Wisbech St Mary. We've come back home to refill up and we're going to get the ones in Wisbech St Mary done because we're going to finish with the ones in Leverington, as there's some of them are talkers, so we'll do them at the end of the day because of time, and we started a bit late this morning. So will we do it? I don't know, just got to keep going in here. But weather's been all right. It's got a little bit windy, which has made it a bit colder, but with this on I'm all right and I'm happy I can work. So see how we get on. Right, it's 25 past 5. A little bit later than what we planned to do, but we started a bit later today. 21 cleans done, no skips, one new customer, first clean done as well. And yes, all in all, been a good day. The wind though did get up a little bit, and it's got a bit of a chill to it. So last week, where it's been really, really nice, a bit of a contrast, but it's still good that we could get out and get a day's work though. So I'm not moaning about that really. Just hoping it's just a cold little spell for a couple of days, and then we get this nice weather back. But still sort of like that time of year, isn't it? Not quite spring, but sent the bumblebees out a couple of days ago, so spring's got to be coming soon. Looking forward to it. And then we'll all be moaning it's too hot, got to wear your sunglasses all the time and getting the glare off the windows, the usual problems. But it'd be nice to be in the old shorts, wouldn't it? Anyway, that's it done. So like, subscribe, all helps me out, all that kind of thing, and YouTube will whack a video up here for you to watch next. Thanks for following us today. Stay safe, and everyone have a good week.